Idiom, Lesson 21, Burn the Midnight Oil. Hello, my dear students. I'm Teacher Emma, and welcome back to our English class. Today, we are going to learn a new English idiom. Idioms are fun English expressions that have a special meaning. Are you ready? Let's begin. Idiom of the day. Our idiom today is burn the midnight oil. Does it mean lighting a fire at night? No. Let's learn the real meaning. What does it mean? Burn the midnight oil means to stay up late at night and work or study. Long ago, people used oil lamps at night. When they studied late, the lamp stayed on, so they were burning the oil at midnight. Simple explanation. If you study late at night, if you work very hard after bedtime, you are burning the midnight oil. Examples. Listen carefully. I burned the midnight oil to finish my homework. She burned the midnight oil before the exam. My brother burned the midnight oil to complete his project. Great listening. Short story. Let's hear a tiny story. Emma has a big English test tomorrow. She studies, reads, and practices until late at night. Her parents say, "Wow, Emma is burning the midnight oil." That means Emma is working very hard. What it does not mean. Remember, it does not mean real fire. It does not mean cooking at night. It means working or studying late. Say it with me. Let's say it together. Burn the midnight oil. Again. Burn the midnight oil. Excellent. Quick practice. Teacher Emma asks, if you study late for a test, are you burning the midnight oil? Yes. Great job. Remember, my dear students, working hard is good, but don't forget to rest and sleep well too. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next English lesson. Bye-bye. Before you go, my dear students, if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to watch my previous English lessons too. They will help you speak English more easily and confidently. Check them out now and keep learning with me. Links are in the description. Thank you so much for watching my video, my dear students. If you enjoyed learning with me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook and TikTok to get more fun English lessons in the future.